Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily 5-minute turbo update for Bitcoin. Today we will talk about the Rising Wedge and other stuff for Bitcoin, so let's go! Here we are, this is the quick overview from TradingView. We start with this and you can see on the day we should buy, strong buy, or we should be neutral. On the 4 hour we have the same picture, buy, strong buy, but the oscillators are telling us, okay guys, sell Bitcoin. On the 2 hours we have a buy, a strong buy, and a neutral. On the 1 hour a buy, a strong buy, and a neutral. And this is the stuff. All in all, it's telling us, okay, we should buy Bitcoin. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice. Let's go guys, let's go deeper now. This is our daily time frame. Every candle here is 1 day and we have some special things to talk about. This is the Rising Wedge, these green lines, this upper green line and this down green line. And as long as we are in this Rising Wedge, everything is okay. But guys, we need to watch this because a Rising Wedge is normally a bearish pattern, normally a 60-40% downgoing pattern or 70-30% downgoing pattern. For the moment, Bitcoin is so bullish, so why not to break out to the upside? But guys, attention. We need to stay over our Fibonacci. We are back with this bad candle yesterday. We are back a big wick to the downside, but we are back over our 0.5 Fibonacci here on the right side. You can see it, 46,800. Yes, we are back. We need to close this candle over this. We need a confirmed closing candle over this. This is really important. And guys, yes, here it is, still the bearish Harami. We have it here. This is for the most times a sign for a downgoing Bitcoin. Here you can see it, bearish Harami, and yes, we saw a downgoing Bitcoin to the bottom of our wedge. The nice next candle to the upper side of our wedge, and the next with down again, and the next up again. So we are going up and down a little bit in this Rising Wedge. So as long as we are here in this Rising Wedge, okay, we can make some nice trades. Buy on the downside of the wedge, sell on the upper side of the wedge. This is nice. We can make some really nice little trades here in this Rising Wedge. Okay, now let's check. Let's go to the ribbon band. The ribbon band is here as a nice green support. We never touched it. It's a long way down to the ribbon band. And guys, if we will lose this Rising Wedge to the downside, if we will break down confirmed under this Rising Wedge, you can see the start of the Rising Wedge was this Fibonacci 0.236. This is 37,300. So we need to stay over this. This is really important, guys. Okay, good. The next thing is we will check the 4-hour time frame. This is this picture here. And on the 4 hour, we are still in the ribbon band. We saw here a fight with the ribbon band, but we are still in the ribbon band. That thing that makes me a little bit bearish now. You can see it here, bearish engulfing downgoing price. Then we saw a doji. A doji is for the most times a sign for changing the direction. And you can see it, bearish engulfing, we go down. Then a nice little upgoing, a doji, down again. Up here, the next bearish Harami, maybe down again. And this is now the fight with our 0.5 Fibonacci 46,800. Okay, guys, this is really important to watch. Let's check the next stuff. Let's check the indicator, the RSI. What is telling us this one here? Are we overbought? Are we oversold? What's going on? For the moment, we are not overbought, not oversold, 58 points. Everything is okay. Can we make a nice line to the upside from the deepest point here over this point here? And yes, we can. And look at this. Look at this perfect hitting this point here. And now we're going down again, maybe hit again this point. So maybe we're coming down again here to 46,500. And then it's the big question, will we break through or not? So this RSI is really important to watch also. Let's check the 1 hour. What is telling us the 1 hour? And the 1 hour is telling us, okay, we are on 53 points, not overbought, not oversold. RSI is okay for Bitcoin. We do not have to watch it. We can watch some interesting stuff here. This is our nice upgoing support line from the downside to the upside. This a lot of space to the downside, so why not coming down here more and more and more? It's possible. And this is the resistance coming from the upside. Also possible to see a nice next leg to the upside, maybe not to this highest point here, something a little bit under this, under 48,000, and then down. We need to watch this, guys. The bad news I have for you, we have no new highest high. You can see it here. This point here was our last high. This was about 48,160, and this spike to the upside was our last one, 48,050. So we can't hit this point here, so we are building a new little downtrend, and this is the next thing we have to watch, a little downtrend from here over here to here. This is our downtrend. We are over the middle line. You can see it. Bitcoin is reacting this middle line here very well. Here it was a spike down on the middle line again, next to the upside. Now we are coming down also a little bit on the 1 hour. We are now spiking our ribbon band. This is really, really important. We need to stay over the ribbon band, or we need to stay over our 46,000. And if we will come down, guys, more and more and more, we have to watch this line here, 46,200. This is our line to the upside. We need to fight over this line and not under this line. It's very important. Here is coming the EMA 200. This is also really important support, but it's really low here on 45,000. If we will see 45,000, I think it's a bearish breakout for this really important rising wedge. And this is a really bad thing, because 37,000 is really possible to touch again. Why not, guys? So, guys, the time is over. Thank you very much for watching. Very important. Here is my live stream, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. A lot of stuff here. And here you can see we are building for the moment a bullish engulfing on the daily here. This is really nice. This is really important. I hope we can build this. This would be a nice sign to the upside. You can see this here. This is our yellow line. This is the rising wedge. You can see every sell and buy signal here. You can see our EMA 200. This is support here. You can see here everything, every time frame, every signal, everything, guys. Everything you need for making millions. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, and thanks for watching your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye.
System activated.